Dear God. We need to go before we can't get out of here.
Look how deep the water is. It's all the way up to her waist. Oh my Lord. These are the cars in the Westernport Elementary School playground.
Right past the Dollar General here.
The cars are floating. Who is that flying?
Floating.
Yeah, it is floating.
Oh yeah. And look at my arm.
Hold on a second.
What are you doing?
Taking a video. Those cars are floating right there.
Okay, now what? Here's the
We are trying to get out of here. Look, I'm pushing water with my vehicle, buddy.
Flood us out.
We're trying to get out of this town. It's real.
So this is a video from Westernport, Maryland, behind Bowles, and this is the aftermath of the flooding. People have lost their homes, their vehicles. We've watched numerous things come down the alley, hit into homes. It's been...
I don't think you can get over there now.